Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows, automatic front windows. It has blind spot indicators, full leather interior, power seating, a sunroof up top, and can comfortably seat 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has a built-in navigation system. It features AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio. It has a rear view camera, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.